Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Based on the problem statement and problem have been solved, the conclusion in this topic can be used to make things and calculation easier in real life. It shows that application of differentiation are very useful to help us to solve the garden fence project by apply it to the specific problem.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Syamsul Daniel bin Syamsul Anwar. So today I will present about problem statement for our group for the video presentation on MAT 183. So the problem statement for our group is a gardener wants to build a fence around his garden. The area of his garden is 1 hectare or 10,000 square meter. He wants to build a stone gate at the front of his garden and wire fence around his garden. This is the diagram of the fence that he wants to build around his garden. And by using the application of differentiation, the length and the width of the garden can be calculated along with the cost of the project. That's all for the problem statement. The other group members will continue on the calculations for the project and the conclusion of the video presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Muhammad Karim Zikri. Today I want to explain about the fence we want to make. The owner of the garden want to make it a more safety. So at the right and left side, also at back side, we use wire stone fence, and at the front we use a stone gate. We will make the fence using a stone. So the cost is a bit expensive than the right, left and back side. So let me show you the early step of calculating. Okay, this is the early step of our calculating. The area of the garden is 10,000 meter square. For the front, we take the price is a little bit expensive than the other side because it use stone fence. We take 10 ringgit per meter, and for the other side we just take 6 ringgit 50 cent per meter. So for the first equation, we just calculate using cost. The cost for each side we just multiply with the x and y. Okay. For the second equation, we use the total area 10,000 equal to xy and makes y equal to 10,000 per x. So for the third step, we just put the second equation into first equation. So that's all from me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad Khair bin Nurisan. First of all, I want to say thank you to Qayyum for your explanation. So today I will continue the solution. So the first step that we do is find the derivative. Next step is we use second derivative. We use second derivative to find is it the value minimum or maximum. So and the last step, we calculate the cost that we take. So let's take a look. So the first step is find the derivative. So cos C equal to 16.5x plus 130,000 over x. Then we differentiate dc over dx equal to 16.5 minus 130,000 x power of negative 2. Then we put x power of negative 2 at the below 16.5 minus 130,000 over x power of 2. Then dc over dx we equal to 0. Then we do this to find the value of x. So 16.5 minus 130,000 over x power of 2 equal to 0. Then we got this. Then x power of 2 equal to 7,878.79. And last, x equal to 88.76 meter. So the next step is second derivative. dc over dx equal to 16.5 minus 130,000 over x power of 2. This is the value. This is the value that the equation that we take. We put it here, then we differentiate for second derivative. Second derivative is the power of 2 c over dx power of 2 equal to 0 minus, so negative 2 times 130,000 over x cube. Then we solve it, then we got 260,000 over x cube. Then we use the second derivative to find is it the value maximum or minimum. Then we continue when x equal to 88.76. Then we solve it, then we got the value is greater than 0. When the value is greater than 0, so x is minimum value. Then we substitute the value to the equation before. So when x is 88.76, so y equal to 10,000 over 88.76 equal to 112.66 meter. So after all, we can calculate the cost. We can calculate the cost that we take. So the cost minimum for this project is we use the equation 16.5x plus 130,000 over x. Then we substitute the value of x in the equation. So we solve it, and then we get the value. So the value, the amount of cost is 2,929 ringgit and 16 cents. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.